Hey guys, it's Nikki here with Lifestylediyw, and I'm showing you today how to do this simple and easy, clear, snowy DIY ornament for your tree this season. Now this will be part of my seasonal decor theme called Deck the Hall Style. So make sure you use that hashtag and show me all your beautiful creations for this Christmas. Now let's get started. Now I know we've seen a lot of these ornaments at Dollar Tree, and I'm showing you the 2-pack of the clear ornaments. Now these are the smaller ones. They do have single larger ones, so which ones you choose is fine. Now you can pick any Mod Podge, even school glue will do the same job. And you can use any type of EPSON Salt. Or even the fake snow leaves, but I like the Epsom salt because it makes it a little bit more crusted and a little bit more 3D. So you literally add your Mod Podge around your ornament. Now you can use the clear ornaments or even colored ornaments if you choose to. It's up to you. And you spread, I use my finger, or you can use a sponge brush to spread the glue around either the entire part, the whole part, half of it, whatever you choose, because it is do it your way. And then you dip and roll your ornament in the Epsom salt. Now I poured my Epsom salt right on a napkin. You can put it in a bowl, whichever you choose again. And you just roll the ornament, so that way the glue is covered with the Epsom salt. And that's pretty much it. Now if you have missing spaces with that don't have any Epsom salt, just add a little bit more glue and roll it again and let it dry. And they come out just like this, guys. Super quick, super easy, and inexpensive. Like a whole bag of Epsom salt is $1 at Dollar Tree. The 2-pack of ornaments is $1, or you can get the large box from Michael's, I believe, for like $10. But I loved how they came out, guys. So join in on the fun with Deck the Hall Style to show me your DIY ornaments or holiday decor. Thank you guys. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Love you. Bye.